Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus Problem Series, I will solve this integral. Integral of 1 over cube root of cosine square of x multiplied by sine x dx. In this integral, we will use substitution method. How do we know that we should use substitution method? If we have a function and if the derivative of that function is multiplied by dx, we use substitution method here. We here have a function of cosine x, and derivative of cosine x is minus sine x dx. The minus sign here is not important. Also, if we have a constant multiple multiples are not important. If we have here the derivative of cosine x multiplied by dx, this means that we should use here the substitution method. Okay, now let's solve the problem. Our problem is 1 over cube root of cosine square of x multiplied by sine x dx. Now, I will say that cosine x is equal to u. Derivative of cosine x is minus sine x times dx is equal to du. This means that sine x times dx equal to minus du. Now, we rewrite cosine x as u and we rewrite sine x dx as minus du. Now the integral becomes 1 over cube root of u squared times minus du, and I will take this minus sign outside of the integral and du. In order to integrate this, I should write 1 over cube root u squared as power function, and the integral becomes u to the power of minus 2 over 3 times du. Why do we use this as power function? Because power functions are easy to integrate. If we have a power function of x to the n, it's while taking the integral, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by the new exponent, and the integral of x to the n becomes 1 over n plus 1 times x to the n plus 1. Okay. Now, we have here a power function, then the integral becomes u to the power of, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by the new exponent. Minus 2 over 3 plus 1 is equal to 1 over 3. Then this is equal to u to the power of 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 3. And here we take the reciprocal of 1 over 3, then this is equal to minus 3 times cube root of u. U is cosine x here, then the integral becomes minus 3 times cube root of cosine x, and since the integral is an indefinite integral, we add the constant c, and the answer is this. And in the next video, I will solve this problem. Square root of cosine x minus cube root of cosine x multiplied by sine x multiplied by sine x dx. We need a sine x here. See you.